5 Top 10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Lidar Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Emptying Station. Say goodbye to daily chores with the Lidar Robot Vacuum and Mop, designed to transform your cleaning routine. Boasting a powerful 5,000 pascals cyclone suction and a tangle-free brush, it effortlessly tackles everything from embedded pet hair to kitchen crumbs, intelligently boosting power for deep carpet cleaning. Its laser-precise navigation gracefully glides around obstacles and avoids stairs, ensuring a seamless, worry-free clean. Enjoy the convenience of 3-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping with customizable settings via the app. The game-changing 3.5L self-emptying station means you can forget about emptying the bin for up to 70 days. Control it your way, app, voice, or remote, for a truly automated, impeccably clean home. Number 4. 60-day self-empty robot vacuum and mop. Experience effortless cleanliness for up to 2 months with our 60-day self-empty robot vacuum and mop. This 4-in-1 wonder redefines home care, offering sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, and automatic self-emptying into a hygienic, self-sealing dust bag. Boasting a powerful 5,500 pascals suction and intelligent carpet boost, it tackles pet hair and dirt on any surface, from hard floors to plush carpets. Customizable water levels ensure a perfect shine. Advanced LiDAR navigation precisely maps up to 3 floors, guaranteeing comprehensive, miss-spot-free coverage. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with 60 days of hands-free operation. Personalize your clean with intuitive app controls or voice commands, creating custom zones and schedules. Reclaim your time and embrace the future of a truly spotless home. Number 3. Lidar Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Tired of endless cleaning? The MS1 Lidar Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is your secret weapon for an effortlessly spotless home. Boasting powerful 5,000 pascals suction and a smart V-shaped brush, it deep cleans dirt, pet hair, and debris on all floor types, even deep in carpets. Its intelligent laser navigation quickly maps your entire home, ensuring no spot is missed, even in total darkness, and seamlessly handles multi-level homes with up to 5 stored maps. Enjoy a truly customized 3-in-1 clean, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping with adjustable settings. Full app control lets you define no-go zones, virtual walls, or assign specific cleaning modes room by room. With 180 minutes of runtime and auto-recharge, your floors stay pristine without you lifting a finger. Experience advanced cleaning made incredibly simple. Number 2. Smart, powerful robot vacuum and mop. Tired of cleaning taking over your life? Discover the smart, powerful robot vacuum and mop, your ultimate solution for an effortlessly pristine home. This incredible device boasts a cutting-edge double-clean system that vacuums up stubborn dirt and mops away footprints, leaving your floors spotless and air fresher. Its intelligent sensors ensure truly hassle-free cleaning, expertly navigating obstacles, avoiding drops, and recharging itself so you don't lift a finger. With a mighty 4,200 pascals hyperforce suction, it effortlessly tackles everything from daily dust to stubborn pet hair. Customize your cleaning perfectly via app or voice control, setting modes, intensity, and schedules. Plus, a larger dustbin and extended battery guarantee continuous, sparkling clean results for extensive homes and busy families. Number 1. Powerful smart self-empty robot vacuum and mop. Imagine a home where floors are effortlessly spotless, day after day. The powerful smart self-empty robot vacuum and mop makes it a reality. Boasting an incredible 15,000 pascals suction and intelligent LiDAR navigation, it expertly maps your home, tackling pet hair and stubborn grime across all floor types with unparalleled precision. Its innovative 3-in-1 design vacuums, sweeps, and mops, adapting seamlessly to your needs. Best of all, with 90-day auto dust collection and an extending side brush that deep cleans every edge, you'll enjoy truly hands-free cleaning. Simply set it via the smart app or voice control, and reclaim your precious time, knowing your floors are immaculately maintained. So, that sums up my 5 top 10 robot vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, Have a great